Hi, I'm Olivia Ornelas, and in this video, I'll be showcasing the key highlights of my nose portfolio project, which I developed as part of the Global Tech Experience in the digital marketing track. I'll touch on a few skills I gained during my time in this program and present how I utilize those skills to build an e-commerce website on Shopify for the unique, colorful, and fun mock sunscreen company Nose. First, we were provided with a customer persona and brand assets and guidelines, including typography, a color palette, and product and hero images. As demonstrated throughout the homepage, I used this information when designing the site with the intention of strategically leveraging the full color palette to harmonize with the imagery as directed in the brand guidelines and customer persona. I also learned about the importance of a value proposition and its strong influence on a potential customer. Using the Nose customer persona, I built out an empathy map to further understand what this customer says, thinks, does, and feels. Keeping all of this in mind, I developed a value proposition as well as all of the copy you're seeing on the homepage, highlighting the features and benefits of NoseScreen with the intent to fulfill the needs, desires, and wants of the Nose target customer. When developing and implementing SEO skills, I learned just how important engine optimization is in terms of getting your website in front of the right people at the right time. To accomplish this, I conducted keyword research with Google Keyword Planner and WordStream to identify optimal target keywords for all pages on the site, based first on the Nose persona and ultimately established based on trend and volume. I also used this research to write effective meta titles and descriptions, which can be seen here in the upper left-hand corner. At the top of the page, I programmed a promotional offer complete with a promo code. The red background originating from the Nose brand guidelines draws the eye and creates a sense of urgency. Using the Nose brand guidelines, I programmed the NoseScreen product, implementing product imagery here on the product on the home page and on the product page. To round out and optimize the site for high conversion rates, I implemented 3 best practices. First, I developed a strong call to action designed to encourage the user to further explore the site. I also strategically made the CTA button blue, as it's not being used anywhere on the page from the user's perspective thus far, which allows it to pop and attract attention. I also placed the CTA button in a directionally beneficial position as the eyes of the people in the hero image direct the focus upwards towards the button. The last 2 CRO best practices are really one and the same, as they both develop trust with potential customers and establish credibility. First, I installed plugins in my Shopify store to create and implement relevant, value-driven trust badges as a reminder and guarantee of Nose's values. Finally, considering that 83% of people trust reviews over advertising, I programmed some reviews highlighting all 3 of Nose's customer personas and their experience with the brand as social proof. In short, through this experience, I developed and applied fundamental industry best practices to effectively interpret a customer persona and brand guidelines with the intention of designing an impactful and aesthetically pleasing site with informatively compelling copy throughout. I learned to harness SEO skills to guide my target customer into the marketing funnel. I optimized the site by creating an enticing CTA and programming trust badges and reviews. And finally, I set up product information as well as a promotional offer. Thank you for joining me on this tour. I hope you found it enjoyable. Your time and interest are greatly appreciated.